Hi, I'm Peter Marsh, instructional coach for Round Rock ISD. And today's video is going to be about the social skill solving a problem. In this case, when it comes to solving a problem, there are 4 steps. For step 1, we want to make sure that we can identify the problem.
Daddy, what's broken?
I think the seat.
Daddy, what's broken?
You know what? I think this handlebar is loose. Problem solving, step 1 being identifying the problem, sounds like a pretty obvious step, right? Well, the thing is, it's not as easy as it sounds. Sometimes we might be in situations, especially when it involves 2 or more people, where we don't know how we've gotten ourselves into this problem. And now we have to figure out what the exact problem is. Can you identify the problem in this situation?
Daddy, fix a bike so we can go bike riding.
Okay, just give me a sec.
Hey, Daddy, can you help me out with my homework?
Well, I'm supposed to go bike riding with Clementine.
But it's due today.
So as you can see from this example, the problem that I'm in at that moment is that I have to choose between which daughter should I give the attention to. My one daughter, my older daughter, needs help with her math homework. Her math is due that day. And my other daughter, who's a lot younger, really needs my attention and wants to go bike riding. And if I don't give her that attention, she's probably going to get really upset. So the next step I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to think about a solution. So for step 2, we're going to consider the options for the situation. In the example that we're using here, I have at least 2 options right up front. One is I can stop giving attention to my younger daughter and do the homework with my older daughter. The other option is that I can tell my older daughter that I will help her with her homework after I'm done going on the bike with my younger daughter. Those are just 2 options. But if I sit and think about it a little bit more, there might even be some more options. So for step 3, you want to list the advantages and the disadvantages of the options that you have. For option 1, the advantage is that my older daughter gets to finish her homework and she doesn't have any more anxiety. The disadvantage is that my younger daughter will probably throw a major tantrum. For option 2, my younger daughter gets to enjoy going on a bike ride with me right away. But the disadvantage is that my younger daughter gets stressed out doing work that she can't handle on her own. So what about a third option? I give my younger daughter, a puzzle that she can work on while I help my older daughter. She'll enjoy that. I can't think of a disadvantage for this one, as I get the work done with my older daughter. Step 4 is choose a solution and follow through with it. So let's review the options I had for a solution. The first option I had was option 1, which was help my daughter with her math homework while my younger daughter didn't have anything to do and she might get a little upset and have a meltdown. Don't like that one. Option 2 was that I go ride bikes with my younger daughter and leave my older daughter do the math homework that she was struggling on, right? And that one wasn't a great option either. Option 3 was that I could give my younger daughter a task, like working on a puzzle, and while she's doing that, I can help my older daughter with her math homework. Once that's done, I can go ahead and ride bikes around the block with my younger daughter. So those were my 3 options. I'm going to go with option 3. I'm going to make sure I follow through with it. I like to think of the best option as the golden path, the one that works for everyone. Okay, so those were the 4 steps to try to solve a problem. And I hope that when you encounter problems during this time when we're staying at home during social distancing, you can use those 4 steps to find out what's the best solution. And then you follow through with it. Thank you for your time, and please stay safe.